Hello, 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 YouTube friends and fam. This is your girl Michelle Speaks here, and I'm coming to you with a topic that many never share. When I cried and God listened. Lean in. Have you ever cried? Really cried, not the cute kind that lets a tear sneak out at church during worship. I'm talking about the cry that comes from your gut, the cry that erupts when your strength gives out and silence becomes too loud. I've been there, in my car, on my floor, in the dark, wondering if my voice was even reaching heaven. And what you need to know is that God heard me. And beloved, He hears you too. There was a season where I was crying more than I was talking. Crying because I just didn't have the words. Crying because I didn't have the strength. Crying because the people I loved walked away. And the ones who should have protected me didn't. I was labeled, judged, and misunderstood. But yet I would cry out and feel the stillness. Not like I was being ignored, but like the heavens were leaning in to listen. Psalm 34:17 states, "The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, and He delivers them from all of their troubles." That's not a metaphor, that's a promise. When I couldn't pray eloquent prayers, He translated my tears. When I couldn't show up strong, He met me in my weakness. And you know what I realized? Tears don't disqualify you. They're evidence of your humanity and His divinity colliding. Because the God we serve doesn't just hear language, He hears lament. You know, I used to think that God wanted polished prayers and perfect posture. But some of my most powerful encounters came with mascara running down my cheeks, pillow soaked, and a voice that was barely above a whisper. And every time He listened, He comforted, and He reminded me, I'm not just the God of your praise. I'm the God of your pain. So let this encourage someone, my brother, my sister. You haven't cried in vain. God is not deaf to your desperation. He is not numb to your need. He bottles your tears, as He states in Psalm 56:8. You keep track of all my sorrows. You have collected all my tears in your bottle. That means every sob was seen, every scream was sacred, and every silence still holy. I don't know what's making you cry today, but I do know this. God is not ignoring you. He is the God who inclines His ear, who walks into your midnight and whispers, I'm here. So cry if you must, but cry with hope. Cry with expectation. Cry knowing that you are not forsaken. Because every tear you sow in sorrow, you shall reap in joy. If this message resonated with your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Like it. Drop a comment that says, He heard me. Let someone else know they're not crying alone. And if you're ready to start healing from the hurt behind the tears, download the Resilient Heart or join the Foundation to Freedom program. The link's in the bio. Because at Michelle Speaks, we don't hide the pain. We heal it because we are bound no more.